Anti-ICE protesters set fire to driverless taxis in Los Angeles on the third day of riots, despite authorities trying to drive out them using rubber bullets and tear gas. This comes as the US Immigration and Customs Enforcement conducted raid to detain and deport immigrants. Protesting President Donald Trump's clampdown on illegal immigrants, the routers were seen chanting, "Burn, burn, burn." At least 5 Waymo self-driving taxis were seen erupting into flames in the video circulated online. Waymo, the self-driving taxi company owned by Google parent Alphabet, has stopped services in the protest areas to protect its fleet. Each of the robo-taxis cost around $150,000. Some writers were seen spray painting the Waymo cars and standing atop the taxis as they wanted Mexican flags. In other places, the rioters waved Palestinian flags, asking the US Immigration and Customs Enforcement officers to quit their jobs. This comes despite Trump mobilizing 2,000-strong National Guard troops. He said that he will deploy 500 Marines if the situation gets out of control. The Los Angeles Police Department has been allowed to wield less lethal munitions to drive out the rioters. However, LAPD chief revealed that his team is overwhelmed by the vandalism. Around 2,000 rioters took over the 101 freeway in downtown Los Angeles and blocked the traffic for hours. North and southbound traffic came to a grinding halt with authorities asking vehicles to turn back. 2 officers were injured by people who were driving motorcycles. Though the freeway was reopened for a while, it was shut down again, as rioters started throwing stones at cars passing underneath. Slamming California Governor Gavin Newsom and Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass, Trump wrote on Truth Social, a once-great American city, Los Angeles has been invaded and occupied by illegal aliens and criminals. Now violent and mobs are swarming and attacking our federal agents to try and stop their deportation operations. But these lawless raids only strengthen our resolve. He directed Secretary of Homeland Security Kristi Noem, Secretary of Defense Pete Hegseth, and Attorney General Pam Bondi to take necessary steps to liberate Los Angeles from the migrant invasion.